Hi, welcome to eSpares, I'm Matt. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix the Zanussi washer dryer error codes E30, E31, E32, E33, E35, E36, E37, E38 and E39. All these error codes indicate that there is an issue with your Zanussi washer dryer pressure switch and it needs to be replaced. Now, the job of a pressure switch inside your washer dryer is to detect the water level inside the appliance. So if your pressure switch is broken, it may well detect that the machine is overfilling with water when it isn't. If that's the case, your drum will not spin at full speed and your door will not unlock. This is a safety feature built into the machine. On the other hand, the reverse may be true. The machine thinks it's empty when it's not. If that's the case, your drum will fill up with water and your soap dispenser may flood as well. Either way, you're going to need to carry out a Zanussi washer dryer pressure switch replacement. Let's take a look. For this fix, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and of course a new pressure switch. And you can find a link to these in the description below. Now, safety first, always remember to unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. First, you'll need to remove the top of the appliance by undoing the two screws at the back using your Phillips head screwdriver. With the screws removed, you can simply pull the top back and lift away. With the top off, here we can see the pressure switch. Easy enough to remove. Now, when you put your hand inside a machine, do be very careful of any sharp edges that may be in the machine. Simply pull the pressure switch out and the two tabs that hold it in place will come free. Then you just have to remove the electrical connection, just the one, and then using a pair of pliers, remove the Jubilee clip that holds the hose at the bottom in place. Push it down and then the hose you can simply pull off, like so. In order to find the correct pressure switch for your washer dryer, you're going to need to know the make and the model number. This will ensure that you're getting the exact part for your particular appliance. If you have no idea what the model number is or how to find it, don't worry. Check out our video here that will tell you everything you need to know. To fit your new pressure switch, simply push the spindle at the bottom into the hose. Then using your pliers, reattach the Jubilee clip to the top of the hose, ensuring it's firmly over the spindle. Then you can push pressure switch tabs into position and then finally refit your electrical connection. You can then replace the top of the appliance. To refit the top, put it into place, making sure the front goes into position inside the front of the appliance, and then you can refit the two screws. So there we have it. Hopefully your machine is back up and running once more. Now, if you ever have any other error codes in the future and you're not sure how to diagnose them and certainly how to fix them, don't worry, we've got you covered. Check out our playlist here on Zanussi washer dryer error codes to find out more. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares, repair guides, maintenance advice, and some brilliant money and energy saving tips. Thanks for watching.